before mo blow sa candle si Baby Luna, also may wish ni mo ni Baby Luna, Mami.
Good health.
Good health. Mawala to. Daddy J, what is your best wishes to Baby Luna, Daddy J? Best wishes. Kasi may wish ni mo ni Baby J.
Freedom ko, baby.
Isa to siya din. Mga mo presidente sa Philippines. Ang president niya. You will be the vice president. Okay, at the count of 3, we will gonna shout, Happy birthday, Luna! And Luna, we're gonna make some. Wait, at the count of 3, buot sa mga. At the count of 3, we're gonna shout, Happy birthday, Luna. Then Baby Luna will gonna blow her candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!